Hi guys, today we're doing another video for Vlogmas and Easy is joining me because I know you wanted him to come back for this year for Vlogmas. Is that weird? That's a little weird.
Hey guys, we didn't do this like 15 times.
I don't know what's up with me. Like,
I don't know what's up with her.
I was struggling to make the intro, but Easy is back for Vlogmas. Super exciting. I know you guys were asking for him and he's here. We're gonna make cookies today. We're doing melted snowman cookies. We'll show you guys everything that we have, but Easy's here.
I mean, I didn't got started on the marshmallows, but you can't tell. I mean, can y'all tell?
Except for there's a big hole in the back.
Yo.
But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys like up close all the ingredients and stuff so that you guys can get that. We're not making it from scratch, so scratch that.
We're not.
Just so it's easier, because last time I made cookies, it ended up being salty. I don't know if you guys saw that video, remember? I think it was last year. I can leave a link in the description box so you guys can check that one out.
Was that the one?
Yeah.
I didn't put the chocolate chips?
Yeah.
That's why they were salty. I was reading about it, and the
chocolate chips to it.
It complements the butter and salt.
Oh, see, so it wasn't me. It was Easy. No, I was kidding. So let me show you guys the ingredients so that you know we can get started. So this is everything you need. You need marshmallows, sugar cookie mix, or you can just get the dough that's already made, M&Ms, icing. I'm gonna use food coloring because I don't have orange, white icing, and then this is for the cookies. So we're gonna get started. Okay, so we're gonna start mixing. Easy's still eating. He's always eating. He's eating the M&Ms, but this is a different type of M&Ms. It's the cookie M&Ms, which I've never had before, and they're delicious, and I just filled them all. Anyway, so I'm gonna use the Betty Crocker 3-step cookie mix.
Fire.
You had it?
Nope.
Oh.
I'm on a roll. Up.
All right, so I'm just gonna put this all in, and then you just mix in softened butter and 1 egg, and then that's it. So that's super easy. So I put all of this in here, as you guys can see. And then it's actually softened, because I remember last time you're like, the butter wasn't soft. Do you see this?
Let me see. All right then. Yeah.
It's softened. Do you have a spoon?
Do I have a spoon?
Yes.
Would you do that, mates?
And then 1 egg.
Do I have a spoon? Of course I have a spoon.
Would you like to stir it, or do you want me to stir it?
So indecisive.
I'll stir. So I'm gonna like mush the butter and the egg together.
You're gonna mush it?
Yes.
What's after that? It's mushing.
Yes.
It looks like a lot of stirring to me.
Well, I'm mushing the butter and whatever.
Well, tell me when the mushing starts. I haven't started yet. Let me see. Come on,
So you
try
can
it.
do it.
Come on, try it.
I feel like I need to roll up my sleeves.
Whoa. You wanna have to take over, mate?
Because it got on your shirt.
Whoa, mate. Whoa.
Oh my, oh.
Whoa,
Oh my
mate.
God.
Whoa. Hot tamale. Whoa.
I was gonna cut it off, but I'm like, we'll do it live. No, I'm just kidding. It's not live, obviously.
Oh, look, TV, I messed up my shirt.
Anyways, I'm gonna like smush it with my hands.
Oh, you can't use your pure knife.
Well, cause
Is it getting hard?
there's like.
Need it. You just gotta do. Alright, and I'm not really trying to mock nobody, you know what I'm saying? I just like that accent, I just like it.
Oh.
Like, a lot. So what, are we gonna like
And then we're just gonna make regular cookies. And then the decoration is like the biggest part.
Oh, it's how we gonna decorate the cookies.
Yeah.
Oh, cause I'm wondering, like, where these come in.
After.
And this.
After.
And well, I know where these come in. I mean, you mixing these in?
I'm gonna show you guys. Yeah. So there's the dough. I hope you guys can see it. So we're gonna make regular cookies, and I'll be right back.
Jasmine, did I press it?
Yeah.
For real?
Mhm.
Oh, okay. That's me? Ooh.
So I'm rolling the dough right now and putting it on the cookie sheet. So it's not super interesting, but do you see? So I can't with you.
What'd I do?
Extra. This one's big.
That's a big cookie right now. You might wanna resize that.
Or I should make all the other ones that big.
Well, I mean, sheesh, want me some big cookies.
I don't think so.
No?
It's a 2.5 inch or whatever.
2.5 inches apart?
No, dough.
Oh, the size of the dough.
Yeah.
2 to 2.5 inches. So how have you guys been? You know what I'm saying? It's been a while. You know what I'm saying? It's been a long time. You know. I just been chilling. You know. Trying to get my teeth fixed still. You know.
It's only been it's been 3 years.
Hey, don't be putting my business out there.
3 years. That is crazy.
Cut. Cut.
Okay, so I took the cookies out and they look like this.
Humongous.
They're not that big. They're normal sized cookies. So we're supposed to put the icing on and then the marshmallow. But the icing is supposed to be runny, so I don't know how to. Runny. Like, because it's supposed to, like, be drippy? Do I put it in a bowl?
You sure you want it to be like that?
No, but don't put the whole thing. I need some for yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. So I'm gonna put the icing on. I'm gonna have to finesse it. Because you're supposed to use...
Yeah, that's a big ass hole you cut in there.
Because I only have my fingers, I don't have any.
All them utensils over there. God damn. There's some big ass gloves. God damn.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Oh, well, it's working, so. I hope you got enough. Cause you almost to the bottom. And you got about 5 more left. God damn.
Oh my gosh.
It seemed like, oh my. That one look a little bit like it got too much. Oh my.
Yeah, that one does look like a lot.
You do it like that, come on now. Back it up quick. Damn. That's a lot. Damn.
Anyways.
Look at you trying to muster some out. Because you just sat up there.
I put too much.
That's a lot too. Hey.
Anyways.
All right.
Well, technically it's supposed to be soft enough to like swish it around, but
swish it?
Can't do that because it's supposed to be royal icing, I think, where it's like powdered sugar and milk or something like that. So we're just gonna finesse it.
So you trying to make it look like it's paste?
Yeah, like it's like a melted snowman.
Are you doing his body right now?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, cause I was like, why can't you just make the whole cookie? But I mean.
But I'm gonna like do this over and over again, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got the icing on. And easiest cutting Twizzlers. Because he said all Twizzlers are pullable.
They are. Oh my gosh.
It's not true. Anyways, I'm going to start doing...
I just pulled it apart. What are you talking about? That's ridiculous. Look. The whole thing, you can pull it apart.
So what was it? What was the knife for?
So I can split it? Okay, here. Nah. I don't want to hear nothing.
No, I'm about to...
Because you said that with the most... What was the knife for? Here. Split it in half.
No, because
we'll wait.
This isn't the pullable
We'll wait.
Twizzlers.
We'll wait.
This isn't the pullable
We'll wait.
Twizzlers. I can't.
We'll wait.
Because this is not
No, we'll wait. We waiting. Oh, you dropped it? Right. It's tough, isn't it? Right. It's hard out here being easy. It's just hard.
No, anyways. I'm
Super.
going to do the arms now.
I bet.
So, I don't know what I'm doing.
Talking all that stuff.
I'm just going to wing it. So, I'm guessing this is a fail for me. I'm going to show you. So I made this one, but Easy messed it up a little bit. Because he added like another button. But I was trying to make him look shook. Because he's melted. But we're going to keep trying. Oh, your arms look pretty good.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
So basically you just put the arms, then you put the marshmallow, and you add like a face, and then that's pretty much it. So it's simple in a way. Let me show you reality versus expectation, because this is what it's supposed to look like. So it's supposed to be like this. Super cute, fun and fresh, and then this is mine.
You look so happy.
Oh, you made him happy?
Of course.
Okay, yours looks better.
I got them skills. And I mean, these M&Ms is kind of big. I mean,
they were
kind of big.
Smaller than the regular ones, right?
Because I mean, hey, I can't even do a 3-body piece right here. I can't even. I'm gonna have to scoop my man whole.
It's supposed
neck
to only
back.
be 2. It's 2 buttons.
2?
Nice. Yours looks good.
Hey, yo, bro. I hooked you up, bro. I got you, bro. Don't even try. I don't know what happened to your cousin, bro. Your cousin came through drunk, faded, ready to rob somebody and shit. Look. Like he about to rob somebody, right? Goddamn, look, he told somebody button. Goddamn it. You stay happy, bro.
Are you gonna?
No. He ain't cold. He ain't cold. Oh. Oh, that's your gun or something. Okay.
Oh my god.
Here.
Done. I'm gonna try again. Because I need some redemption. Okay, I made another one and it looks a lot better. This was my first one. This is my second one.
A lot better.
And there's Easy's.
You know what I'm saying? It got chilly outside, so you know we gotta put a beanie on him. You know what I'm saying? With a little scarf on him. You know what I'm saying? Don't.
That beanie's not covering anything.
Bro, the beanie is white. What is you talking about? It's covering his whole top.
But I guess that's the end because we're gonna have to make a whole bunch of them, and it took a lot just to make one of them. But yeah, just a quick little 1-2. I think I'm just gonna do like a little light on the other ones because it's a lot making these melted snowmen. But it would be fun if you did it with like kids or like an activity.
See? He got the whole beanie on. Why is you? Damn, you like a clown now.
He looks good. Yeah, he does kind of look like a clown.
See, Jasmine, why you clowning on his head in the first place?
But anyways, I mean, these cookies are not as good as like the ones that are pre-made, by the way. They're all right. They're all right.
What you mean?
Did you taste it?
Ugh!
They're not bad.
Ugh!
Oh my gosh.
Ooh! I almost fell out because they're so nasty. Alright, look.
They're not terrible.
They taste like the sugar cookies you used to get in school.
Why is the head slipping?
Oh, you chilling?
Oh my gosh.
Damn.
Dang.
Show my people, so.
You did.
But that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I post a video. But let me know if you want to see sugar cookie alcohol drink for those adults out there in these streets. I wanted to make it today, but Easy's being a party pooper.
She always cut.
But just leave it in the comment section if you want to see it, because he tried to cut me off. I'm not done, but I think I'm gonna try it actually. I just want to try it. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. We still have many days of Vlogmas, so you'll probably see Easy again.
Nope.
So I hope you guys enjoyed. You will see Easy again.
That's the last time.
You'll see him again. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next one. See ya.